Hello everybody, welcome to Dora Makuti Media Marketing. Today I am going to present to you a new software, an amazing Telegram traffic app that is called Omega. But before we go further, I just want to let you know that I have prepared for you lots of amazing bonuses that you can be able to enjoy together with this new software that is launching in about a few hours as I speak, and will be live from today, 14th August 2021 to 18th August 2021. And in between that period, you will be able to enjoy the amazing bonuses that I have prepared for you. So if you want to take part of the amazing bonuses and you want to know what this app is all about, stick with me and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I'm already logged on into the members area, and when you come in here, you see a menu that shows you everything that you have. All these are deals. Imagine these are your businesses that you want to send out to customers, all set up in a very organized space. We have Warrior Plus deals, we have JV Plus, JV Zoo deals, and then the downloads that you can download into your working space. This app that is called Omega will help you be able to send by just one click. You'll be able to send out messages to over 127 subscribers by just one click. So that is the amazing bit of it, and this is just the front end. You will also be able to do a social share of what you've sent to your different clients as well as prospective clients. So let's go and look at exactly what Omega is. Omega is it's an experience free traffic in that Omega is a software. It is the first of its kind. It is an automated Telegram traffic app. So just on an app, you'll be able to send up to 127 messages every 10 seconds by just one click. So it is amazing. You do not have to make so many messages. You can just make one message and choose 127 people, and then you send. So it's a very good app, and it is going to give you an experience for free traffic within seconds. You'll be able to reach a lot of people within just 10 seconds. You don't need the experience to be able to do this. You just have to set up, put in the information, and then send by just one click. It is 100% automated after the first setup, and you will be able to make over $37,000 with this app over time. It was created for beginners, and you get results as soon as possible. So this will also enable you to travel, and it also goes for a really reasonable sum and has a 365-day money-back guarantee. That is very amazing because you get to try it for a year, and if you're not satisfied, you'll be given your money back. And so for a one-time free only, you will grab your Omega for a one-time of $17. And if you try it out and it doesn't work, you can be able to be refunded your money back, but I'm sure you won't need to be that. You just need to upgrade. So let's go further and look at further in detail at Omega. It's to help you to click to send messages to 127 buyers every 10 seconds, and you don't need skills, you don't need anything. It's a mobile app, traffic app, that will get you unlimited free buyer traffic. It's an untapped traffic source. It has millions of responsive buyers. It's a fast to market software and one-click video builder. So there are hundreds of proven templates that you can use to set up your business, tutorials, case studies, support, and more. So let's look at the upsells. The front-end product for Omega is $17, and with this you can be able to get my bonuses between today and 18th August. So the upsell is going for $17, and it will give you access to the powerful Omega software and the training modules. Upsell number 1, which is the unlimited edition of Omega, is $39. This is an edition with multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and it comes with additional tutorials, yours for only $39. And the done for you edition, that is the upsell 2 of Omega, this upgrade, the team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. You know, the producer, the producer of this app, Billy Dahl, he's an internet millionaire, and he has made this money through creating for us these amazing softwares that have been very successful. So I'm pretty sure Omega is going to hit the tops, because it is of the experience that I know that Billy Dahl has. So grab yourself this done for you edition. You'll be very amazed at what you'll be able to achieve when you get Omega. Upsell number 3, which is an automated edition, you will be able to activate the automation tools within Omega. Those are tools that will help you collect data, collect emails to increase your email list, and data that will help you know which clients to target when you're sending out your templates, your business templates and promotions. So that will go for $39. The done for you templates club, that one enables you to get 200 customizable video templates that you use with Omega. Wow, this is going to enable you make videos. There are templates that you upload whatever you want into to make any video of your choice, and then be able to send out for your marketing purposes. That goes for only $39. It's an upgrade that I'd also love to have, because I mean, we do these days, we want to work smart and but effectively. So if you're using the done for you template, that's a very amazing thing, because you don't need so much time to create and edit and put together and cut and do all that. You just need to use the templates and then customize them to fit your business and the products that you want to send out to your clients. Then the upsell 5, which is the Omega 50 times click and go campaign, that will go for $39. They will give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. Wow, this one is a must get, because the TikTok campaigns that are going to help you to make these affiliate sales, these are already trending campaigns that you'll be able to take a part of and be able to make sales. So as an affiliate, this is something that you need to look into and take. And then there's more benefits here. You can there's free traffic within seconds, there's dozens of happy beta testers, and automated hands-free software, and you'll get results. All it is free plus $100. Wow, you'll get results with Omega, or you'll get your money back plus $100 from the creators of Omega, and this will be given by a no questions asked 35-day money back guarantee. So when you click here, you will get your copy and the bonuses. So let's look at the bonuses that I have prepared for you. I've given you the high ticket mastery. That high ticket mastery is you master the art of identifying high ticket sales that you want to promote in order to increase your sales. So we're giving you this amazing tutorial to mentor you and to guide you on how to identify the high ticket mastery. Then we've given you how to get better conversions. You learn how to get the better conversions through this tutorial prepared for you by my mentor, Jono Armstrong, and this will also take your business to another level. But the third bonus that I prepared for you today is how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. Wow, this you can even use to make your own app that you can also sell. Yes, that's a good incentive to help you also increase your own on top of increasing sales. You'll also be able to create your own apps to be able to enhance your businesses and also do something that is unique to your affiliate marketing business. And we've given you access to SEO Studio, and this one is only and only within the first 24 hours of our launch. So if you grab your copy of Omega now, you have access to this studio for 24 hours and forever. That is for those who grab Omega within 24 hours. If you get Omega after 24 hours within launch, I'm sorry you'll not be able to get this, but if you get it right now, I am encouraging you to grab your copy in the links that I've put down below in the bio of this video, and you'll be able to access this SEO Studio, which is a very amazing resource to have. And then we come to the vendors bonuses. These are bonuses that Billy Dell has decided to give to you people who want Omega. He's also giving you some of his other successful softwares that he has sold, those softwares that have made him a millionaire, an internet millionaire. So if you grab Omega today, you'll be able to get all these other bonuses from Billy Dell for free, and they are yours to use as you want, with no questions asked, no limitations, nothing. So in order to be able to access all those, as soon as you go, if you click here, you secure your copy of Omega and the bonuses that I have talked about above, and also the vendor bonuses, which you access when you go into the members area to claim your copy of Omega. So come on now, get those cards, get those PayPal accounts, and grab your copy right now, because as I speak, we are about to launch, and it's an exciting time for us. This launch is valid for only 3 hours, because I mean, this bonus page is valid for only 3 days, 16 hours, 55 minutes, and right now as I speak, 15 seconds. So do not delay, do not think so much about this. Just grab your copy of Omega and be able to take your business to the next level. And I am very excited about this. So try this out. I use this myself. It's an amazing thing, and you will thank me later. So I don't have, without much more to say, I'm just calling you to action. Click here, grab your copy of the bonuses and try out bonuses, and then you will, and your bonuses, as well as download your vendor bonuses and be able to take your business to the next level. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for all the likes and the subscribes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I like the feedback, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a very nice launch, and continue to be amazing. Bye bye until next time. My name is Doreen, and this is Dora Makuti Digital Marketing. Have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.